In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Google Slides with speaker notes. First off, let's dive into Google Drive. Getting this started is super straightforward. You'll need to sign in with your Google account details. Just hit the sign in button, type in your email and password, and click Next. This is essentially your gateway to accessing all of Google's productivity tools, including Google Slides. Once you're signed in and find yourself looking at your list of saved files, locate the Google Slides presentation you need to print. It's just a matter of clicking on the specific slide you're looking to work with. Remember, you can find all your presentations right there in Google Drive, and opening the one you need is as simple as clicking on it. With your presentation open, look for the File menu. It's located right at the top left corner of your screen. A click here will unveil a drop-down menu with a bunch of options. But what we're interested in is a bit further down the list. Navigate down that drop-down menu until you find Print Preview. This option is kind of like giving you a sneak peek into how your presentation will look when printed out. Clicking on Print Preview will transition your screen to a layout where you can review everything before it goes to print. This step ensures you're happy with how your document looks, including those all-important speaker notes you'll want to have on hand. Now here's where we make sure those speaker notes are included. On the print preview screen, you'll notice an option that says One Slide with Notes. This is exactly what you want to click on. Selecting this option arranges your printout to include one slide per page, accompanied by the speaker notes below it. It's a fantastic way to ensure you have all your cues and additional information right there with you. Once you've selected one slide with notes, nearly there. The final step is to initiate the print process by clicking on Print. This action will open your computer's default print dialog box. From here you can check your printer settings, make sure you're good with the number of copies, and finally send your document to print. And there you have it. Printing your Google Slides presentation complete with speaker notes can significantly enhance your presentation experience by keeping all your key points right at your fingertips. Remember, taking it step by step is the best way to ensure you don't miss out on any crucial details. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your presentation preparation smoother and more efficient. Happy printing!